Hi, I'm Barbara Wainwright, CEO and founder of Wainwright Global Institute of Professional Coaching. And today's video is all about how to become a life coach step by step, and most importantly, how to get paid for your coaching services. It may seem confusing and even overwhelming trying to figure out exactly how to break into a career in life coaching and actually make some real money from it. Life coaching is becoming more and more well known, and there are many people who are qualified to do it, but they don't know how to get started, and trying to figure out how to get paid may have you feeling a little overwhelmed. So if you're not sure how to take the next step, stay tuned because we're going to unpack step by step just how you can become a life coach. And I'm going to give you a proven strategy on how to easily get clients so you can start making a profit from your business today. Before I start, please subscribe to the channel and share this video. The first thing we need to do is clarify, what is life coaching? The very basic premise of life coaching is that our clients have all the answers within. As a coach, it is our responsibility to empower our clients by asking questions so that they can find their own authentic answers. Asking questions helps your client to get crystal clear on what they really want, while providing the framework for success and accountability for progress. Life coaching is a co-creative process between the client and the coach. Coaching is not like therapy. There's no trauma involved and no mental health diagnosis or anything like that. Let's say a person has a desire to write a book, but they don't know how to get started. Hiring a ghostwriter to point them in the right direction would give them a jump start on getting their book written. This is a co-creative process where a client is receiving advice on how to get a book written. However, a ghostwriter would not be responsible for motivating the client to complete the book. If instead the budding author hired a life coach who specialized in working with authors, the coach would ask strategic questions to help the client get clarity for their next best step in creating their book. The life coach would also keep them accountable to complete the book, keep them inspired to keep writing even when they didn't feel like it, and would stop and celebrate their achievements along the way. In this example, the coach is helping the client to reach their goal faster through clarity, motivation, and accountability. In the end, the client feels empowered and successful because they will have achieved something that was important to them. Hopefully that helps you to have a better idea of what coaching is. Now that you know what coaching is, let's look at the first step for you to become one. Do you need to get certified as a life coach? I know this is a huge question that a lot of people want to know the answer to, and the answer is, it depends. Let me explain more. I personally feel like it is really important to get certified. Wainwright Global has certified over 6,600 coaches since 2006. It's a very well-known and respected certification in the coaching industry. In the class, you will learn a system of coaching that has been proven to work. So if you're unsure what to do as a coach to provide a transformational experience for your clients, you should definitely check it out. There's a link below so you can check it out and even enroll if you want to. Whether or not you decide to get certified, you need to make sure that you have a really good understanding of what coaching is and isn't. You don't want to start blending therapy or consulting with your coaching business. And if you really want to have a clear idea of what coaching is and the best practices for coaching, then it's very beneficial to go through a certification course. It's important to note here that getting your certification does not have to cost you tens of thousands of dollars or even $5,000. I remember in 2005 when I was researching how to become a life coach, I came across many different coaches. At the time, I paid $20,000 for my coach training, and fortunately for you, you don't have to do that. You do not need to invest that much. That high cost was the impetus for me to create my coach training program and for me to keep Wainwright Global certification program affordable. So for the record, if you have a desire to become a life coach and are worried about the cost of certification, it doesn't have to be super duper expensive. Now let's talk about why I said getting certified depends on your situation. In my opinion, if you want to be considered as a professional, then you want to invest in your education. In addition, as a professional, you'll want to invest in continuing education and become a member of a coaching association where you can collaborate with other professional coaches. If you are pursuing life coaching as a hobby, then do you really need a professional organization or transformational coaching system? Probably not. However, if you want to be paid for your coaching services, I would highly recommend getting a professional certification so that you can have the confidence to know that you can provide excellent service. In addition, when you're coaching someone, it is a good idea to have a business liability insurance so that you can protect yourself and your assets. And you can't get that liability insurance if you don't have formal training. Having an education in coaching really does help to bring clarity on what coaching is all about and how to be a great coach. I recommend learning a proven step-by-step system of coaching so that you can have complete clarity and the confidence to know you are providing transformation for your clients. To get started with your coaching business, you want to create your elevator pitch and your coaching packages. Then let everyone in your contact list know about your coaching offers by sharing your elevator pitch with them. You may want to consider offering 3 free coaching sessions to 3 new clients. Doing this will help you to gain the confidence to know your value as a coach. You will need to be a good listener, have the ability to express yourself clearly, learn how to be really present with your clients, and how to ask the right questions so your clients get the results they are looking for. Your clients will be looking for a specific result. As a coach, it will be your responsibility to keep your clients inspired and motivated to keep going even when they don't want to. One of the things you absolutely need is that elevator pitch that speaks to your clients listening. And what I mean by that is when you share your elevator pitch with someone, you want them to say, "That's me, I need that coach." Your elevator pitch should have 3 components. The first one is, who will you coach specifically? What niche will you coach them on? And the benefit that they will get from your coaching service. So let's start with who. The more specific you can get, the better. For example, I help teens, or I help teenage girls, or I help men who are going through a midlife crisis. So the more specific you can get, the better. Next, you want to describe your coaching niche. There's over 52 coaching niches that Wainwright Global coaches serve. You'll need to describe your niche, like weight loss coaching or divine purpose coaching. And finally, in your elevator pitch, you need to identify the benefit that your client will receive from your coaching services. For example, my name is Barbara Wainwright. I'm a divine purpose life coach. I help people who are struggling to identify their life's calling so that they can achieve clarity and fulfillment, living a passionate, purpose-filled life. Your elevator pitch will evolve over time. As I mentioned, it's important to be specific so that your potential client will say, "That's me, I need that coach." Your elevator pitch is how you communicate about your business and the benefits of hiring you as a coach. It helps potential clients to be clear on exactly why they are coming to you for help. Some people think they have to have a perfect life before they begin coaching. And here's my thoughts on that. If you wait until your life is perfect before you begin helping others, you could end up never helping anyone, including yourself. Is it important to work on yourself? Absolutely. But don't let that stop you from helping others. First of all, when you help others, you begin to realize how much value you can provide. Secondly, when you help others, you discover things about yourself that you may not otherwise know. And thirdly, as long as you can be fully present while you're working with someone, you will help them with your presence alone. Living a life you absolutely love is achievable and something we should all strive for. Being authentic and genuine as a coach is imperative so that when you are working with your clients, you can coach them from a place of integrity. I also believe that every coach should have a coach. Taking a deep look at your life and who you are as a person is a great idea. Last time I checked, no one alive is perfect, including me. We're still human beings having a spiritual experience here. You may not have everything in your life figured out, but you can still bring a lot of value to the table in your coaching sessions. I would encourage anyone considering being a life coach to work on yourself in conjunction with working with clients. Until the day you die, there is always room for improvement. So why not build healthy habits and a lifestyle that you are proud to share with your clients? So far, we've covered getting certified and creating that elevator pitch. Now we need to look at the business of coaching, and this is where we talk about how you get paid. Coaches love helping people. Coaches are helpers and typically are kind, compassionate, and caring. Being kind, compassionate, and caring is critical when it comes to being a coach. However, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're a great business person. Just because you know how to coach and you know who you want to serve, it doesn't mean that you know how to package and sell your coaching. So you'll need to learn how to create irresistible coaching packages that your clients will be standing in line to sign up for, so that you can get a steady flow of clients to sustain your lifestyle. It's important that you do your marketing and sales research and become an entrepreneur. Learn how to attract clients and stay motivated to do all the things that come with being a successful entrepreneur. I recommend coming through our life coach training and certification course, where you will receive a sales script so you don't have to do so much research. We provide in our class everything you need to become a great coach and how to package yourself and market yourself as a coach. Thank you for watching this beginner's guide on how to become a coach and get paid to do it. If you found value in this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're looking to become a coach or you're an entrepreneur and would like to learn some new skills, check us out at wainwrightglobal.com. My name is Barbara Wainwright. I'm the CEO and founder of Wainwright Global's Institute of Professional Coaching, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great